This image represents a 10-string harp. The 10-string instrument is one of the many stringed instruments mentioned in the Bible. The range of the strings on this 10-string instrument is from C, that is middle C, on the piano, up to E, 10 notes above. Here is a diagram to illustrate that. From left to right, the strings are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. Of course, that's from bottom to top on the harp. This is a C harp. It is tuned to the key of C major, and it has no levers to quickly change it to another key. Observe this musical staff. The strings on our 10-string harp correspond to these pitches on this treble clef. So, the lowest string on our 10-string harp makes the middle C sound. Play from middle C to the C 8 notes above to get the C scale. Then D and E follow to complete the 10 strings. Look at this image. It shows the location on the piano of the pitches on our musical staff, which also corresponds to the strings on our 10-string harp. Here, see how the strings on our 10-string harp line up with or relate to the keys on the piano or keyboard. Thanks for your participation. Please check the comments to join a live class. This is the Open Bible Harpist saying see you in the next video.